welcome back. Today we have come with a very special dish for you. Yes, it's our favorite and I know it's each one of your favorite dish. Nandika, can we break the surprise now? Before that, please subscribe, like and share the video. Hey, you didn't subscribe? Please subscribe. We are going to make finger chips. Yes, finger chips, also called French fries. Come on, let's make it. Wait, Devik, we have to tell the ingredients to our friends. Oh, I forgot. The main ingredient is potato, then corn flour, chili powder, pepper, salt. So let's peel and chop the potato and make it ready. There is one more ingredient, oil, for frying the potatoes. You can use any oil you like. It's better you take a big potato so that when you chop, you'll get the right shape. Friends, you should do this very carefully, okay? Now, let's chop the potato. When we cut it, it will be a nice shape. Take 2 slices this and now cut it. See, now it became the right fingertip shape. Do the same thing with the other one. Now our chopping is done. Put the chopped potatoes into the water. It's not cooking, it's light boiling to remove the extra starch. Keep it on the stove till it boils. I kept it 4 minutes on the stove. It started boiling and the foam is formed. Let's stop it. Put the boiled potatoes into a towel. Now keep it 5 minutes for drying. Now it's perfectly dry. Mix it with the corn flour. mix it well so it will eat my fried. Now we have mixed it well. Let's fry it. I have kept oil on the stove to make it hot. Now the oil is hot. Put the corn mixed potato pieces. Stir it very well so it doesn't get burned till the golden brown color appears. Now it's golden color. Now transferring into a plate. Now our French fries is ready. Add some spices for taste and flavor. Pepper, sprinkle it. Chili powder, sprinkle. Then salt. Now mix it. Now our French fries is mixed. If you want to add sauce, you can add it. When we look, it's very crispy. So crispy. Very crispy, easy evening snacks you can make. David, I think it's better than McDonald's. Yes, really. Friends, you should try this at home. It's very yummy. Friends, if you like our channel, like, share and subscribe, and we'll be back with more interesting videos for your entertainment. Now, we are signing off. See you soon.